how to literally turn this dress into something more glitzy. Over here on Made by Nale, we like to look bougie, like we're not basic at all. I don't know if you guys have seen this dress. I actually saw a rapper called Stefflon Don wear it time ago, and I was kind of interested in how it was made, and I've been kindly, as always, gifted some accessories to basically jazz up this dress. So this dress is also from a charity shop. This is a size 8. I am not a size 8, I'm at least a size 12, if I have to be honest. If I want to be comfortable and breathe, I'm a size 12. So I'm in a size 8 dress, and honestly, I am dying. Probably could see these little, but hey ho, I think it's cute. Check out their page, they are an amazing charity. So yeah, make sure to check them out and also donate some clothes so that I can keep doing this. I'm just literally gonna mark out. I'm not gonna make it exactly the same as that dress, so I'm gonna make it similar. So I just want like gems like here. So I'm just marking out with my soap, like it's best just to use soap. I really like this area for some reason. So this is what you guys will need: some thread and a needle if you want to sew, some soap and some glue if you'd like to stick it on. Not me dropping the gems, but what I started off by doing was literally marking out where I wanted my gems to go, and this was a very easy but long process. So one by one I just sort of lined up the gems on the fabric or on the dress where I left that white line that we just drew. And guys, this process does take forever because you're trying to figure out how you want it. So I did try different options. You can see me trying again because I was using limited gems here. So I just wanted everything to fit. But once that was done, I tried to use different glues. So this was actually nail glue and it didn't work, guys. Don't try and use nail glue to stick the gems down. It doesn't work. And the other glue that I showed you at the start, that one does work. However, I did run out of glue, so I decided to use a glue gun instead. And this is me basically telling you guys, don't do it. So because I ran out of the first glue, I decided to use my glue gun instead, and the glue gun worked perfectly and it was quick and it dried very quickly. So this is me just applying a small amount, and guys, I was so obsessed and so happy with this. This is how the sleeves looked. I even went out for some dinner in the dress and I was so obsessed, it's giving £2,000. See you next week.
Yeah, yeah.